This is how to make the clock on your home screen bigger on your Android phone. You can either long press in an empty area of the home screen and choose style, wallpaper and style, home settings or widgets. Or if you have the clock here, I do a long press on the widget itself and it has these options to make it bigger. It depends on which widget you're using. Some clock widgets have a limit for the size, so even if I try to make it bigger like that too much, it will not go further. If you want to have a completely different clock widget, you could use any app that has a widget for the clock, and most of the clock apps, they will have many options for the widgets. Here I can change this widget. For example, I could change it to have an old style clock. So you can use the clock app. This is the Google style clock. I could add this clock without any background. And this clock does get bigger as I change the size of the widget itself. So you long press on the widget and you can adjust the size however you like. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.